I think children need to be multilingual in our world. So it is not that children should only study their mother tongue or only study English. Steven Pinker, who is one of the greatest language scientists who has studied the acquisition of language in children, says that up to the age of about 8, a child can pick up any language that you throw at it without effort. After the age of 8, it's as if a switch is thrown in the brain and the child stops acquiring language easily, effortlessly and spontaneously. Then it becomes a matter of learning a language like all of us learn languages, slowly, painfully, grammar, vocabulary, syntax, pronunciation. But you take a Maharashtrian child and set her down in Tamil Nadu, and within 2 or 3 months she will be speaking Tamil, at least enough to talk to the people around her. So we need to educate our children with as many languages as possible, but central to this enterprise must be the mother tongue, because we cannot afford to lose the linguistic diversity of India. Whenever I'm talking about the linguistic diversity, I always point to the 500 rupee note. There is no other country in the world which has so many scripts on their currency note as we have. Most other countries have the local language and English. We have Hindi, Marathi, Punjabi, Oriya, Bengali, Urdu, Sindhi and Roman script, all on our 500 rupee note. This is a blessing. This is a gift, and we would be very foolish if we threw away our gift in the neurotic pursuit of some international language.